This guide will help you remove old devices from your Outlook security settings, ensuring your account remains secure. Follow these simple steps to manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook sign-in page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security or privacy section in the menu options and click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. View devices. In the security settings, find the option that allows you to view connected devices. This may be labeled as Manage Devices or Connected Devices. Click on this option to see a list of devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Review the list of devices. Identify the old or unused devices you wish to remove. There should be an option next to each device to either remove or sign out. Click on the appropriate option for each device you want to disconnect. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the devices to remove, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal process. Once confirmed, the devices will no longer have access to your Outlook account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Outlook security settings, helping to keep your account secure.